So hello everyone, today in this video we are going to talk about that what is monday.com and how we can use it. So the best way to use monday.com to save your time, and you will do many things with monday.com because it's an online platform which provide you all the things at one place. So first of all, if you look upon this page, so what many people ask about is that what is the best way to use monday.com. So 6 tips to save you time on monday.com. Find your board's lighting fast, minimize your notifications, highlight board changes, update multiple items at once, sync important dates to your calendar, take it go. And if we look next, so is monday.com is easy to use. Monday.com has an intuitive and easy to use interface, so your team can start using it without any training or prior experience using collaborating rcrm tools. So basically monday.com is very easy tool. So is monday.com a crm? Monday.com is not just a crm, it's an all-in-one work os. Anything you could work in a workspace, be it project management, task management, or analytics, we got out it easy to use this platform. So if we look next, so there is many things about monday.com you can easily learn. Does monday.com track hours? Yeah, monday.com tracking integration allow you to use record time for specific projects and tasks. Use it to track hour and your teamwork and improve your productivity like pro. So basically this monday.com uh, tell you about many things that you can manage very easily, so you can use it. So is monday.com a good investment? Yeah, monday.com is a new collaboration platform to make a splash, and that investor appreciate. On the other hand, its underlying metric and certainly strong, and its revenue growing at very rapid rate, and all the while monday.com continues to make its way towards break even for profitably.